Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of my tutorial on how to use the automatic nylon making machine. If this is your first time here, my name is V-World. On this channel we talk about everything related to nylon production. So if you haven't watched the first video, I recommend starting from there so that you won't miss anything, so that you follow along better. And if you are returning from the first video, I really appreciate you. Thanks for joining. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, so you won't miss any update from V-World Nylon Production.
So we make use of soap and brush, this automatic cutting machine. So all you are going to do is, so that when you do your work, you produce at a time, you notice that the thing is gumming. Sometimes when you are producing, you notice that the thing is heating, like the heat is too much. When you touch the nylon even hits you. Understand? So the thing will be hot. That's why. So you come and use your soap and do it like this. When you are doing, avoid this thing, or avoid this iron, this thing. So you just do it like this. After that, you now use your brush and remove all those small particles. Remove it so that the thing won't be gumming easily. So that's the essence. Okay, so this thing is our wage. This thing is our wage. So it's this thing that determines whether your nylon is going to stay one place or not. So the essence of it is to make it stay one place so that it will not be going left and right. It will just stay one place and be cutting. So then after that, we are going to wait for our machine that we just on to heat well so that it won't be leaking. Because if your machine did not heat well and you start producing your nylon, you might be producing nylon that is leaking. The white nylon might be leaking. You have to wait for the machine to heat successfully. How you are going to know that the machine have already heated? Are you hearing some noise like bam,
Yes.
bam?
Yes.
By that, if it's nice now, this thing will turn the red. This thing is turned to green light. That's how you are going to know that your machine have successfully heat. And you'll be hearing some noise. After 1 minute, you hear bam, some noise. After 1 minute, you hear bam. The noise, it will be making noise. The noise indicates that the machine is already ready for use. So, and when you are cutting your white nylon, you have to make sure that the razor, are you seeing that this razor is not even touching this thing? So if I on it, it will be cutting like this, but it won't be cutting pieces. You understand? So you have to make sure that the razor is in straight line. You have to use tape. Please help me with the tape. So you use the tape to measure the line. Normal blowing size is usually 22, 21, 22. So we are going to measure the blowing size now. Okay, let's shift our hands more. Measure it again. Okay. So let's go and check it too. So all these things really matter. So you have to know the size and everything, because if it's not the same size, your customers will eat you up. Notice some is cutting while some are not cutting. Check. So at the point I noticed that this thing is not coming out the way I want. So I have to let me give it the solution. So the solution to it is water. Machine also drink water. It's not only us that knows how to drink water. Machine also drink water. So you are going to open it small, or if you have can, you just use a nail and open the mouth of the can small and just spread it. But me, I want it to be coming out small. Just open it small like this. You see? Just small like this. I'm going to tie it so that the thing will just be. The essence of this water is to make it to be coming out smooth without going up and down. It should just be dropping in that place. Bam, excellent. Understand? But if there's no water, nylon is just it's light now. It will just be spraying up and going here left and right. But the water will help it to be running smoothly. So let's proceed. Let's just test the water. see, just dropping palm. So we are going to teach you people how to package it right now. See how we are going to package it. So sit here. So we are going to package it now. You learn how to package those ones that used to be flat. So our counter used to be here, but the counter right now we remove because we have mastered the machine. So assuming the counter is here, we just set, all you have to do is just to press. If you want to count in 2500, you just press the 100 and the thing will be counting for you. But now we are going to use our head and do the job. That's why when I'm in this machine, I'm counting. I don't need distraction because there's no counting. I'm using my brain and my hand and everything to do the counting. So you are going to see it. Right now it's counting 25. Do you know why I give you this here? I want you to assist me. Assuming there's nobody here, only me. What I'll be doing is, if the thing is counting, I'll just remove one. 25, it doesn't have, the thing is coming out 2, 2.
Yes.
25 it will just stop in 24. Then that one that I'm going to use and put it inside is now 25. That's why you are going to be helping me. What you're going to do is just to remove it. For anyone I give you, just put it inside and keep here. You understand? If you are not here, I can do it all alone. I'll just put the scene by my side and be doing it. So let's start. Let's on the machine right now. I'm going to do it so that the thing will be neat and straight. Something like that. See it. See how I'm doing it. That's all matter. I have to learn it. I want you to leave everything you are doing now and watch this thing.
Okay.
Don't worry. I want you to watch it now. Put that one on. Put it inside.
Okay.
Aya, watch how I'm going to pack it. Don't give me. When you notice it's no longer coming out, that means the thing wrapped each other. The thing wrapped there. So you have to go and check what happened to it and remove it. You understand? So the reason why I said you should be watching me so that you learn how I package it, so that you not just be helping me. So you learn it. That's why you are here. To learn how to package it. See how I do it. I wrap it and make sure that the thing is very straight and neat. To make sure that is engine. It's engine that is doing the work, not hand. There's a difference between what hand do and what you package with engine. You can't be neat like this because one, if you're counting it with your hand, and people are using hand to count it, one, after everything, the thing will just be scattered. Like it will not compare it with what measure. Just want to cut it so that you understand. It's not like you will not get it when you use your hand and count. It's just let me just, after cutting the whole thing here, you just be packing it. You will get it, but if it's me, I can equally manage to do it as neat as you as a beginner. You cannot do it as if you cannot make it to be neat. That's why you have to learn all these things. There will be difference. There's great difference. Come and teach us how to pack. Then I will assist you. Is that how you're going to give me?
Okay.
I thought you should pack.
Okay.
Wait, let me just start counting it with your brain.
Like this, okay?
You see, you've not learned it. Okay, so let me show you. Put it in that bag.
Okay.
Don't have to wrap it, go this, squeeze it too much. Oh. Because if you squeeze it, people will say, what is it? There's nothing inside, but it's complete. You have to release it, make it big. Understand? You are just learning. Just at the time, you have to be fast so that under 1 hour you can be able to produce like 20 bags. Understand? No, you're not getting it. See what I'm doing. Just be watching me. I've already removed it one side from this one. I'm still now. See your hand. Understand? Because let me just say, I assume I want to grab this one. This one is just going alone, and I'm using my head to carry this one too. I'm doing it like this. See, this one is very big. Remove those ones. Because you are counting it. Start counting. You try, but you know, see as it's like this, don't be just like this small. Hold it small. You don't need to come to the middle. It's not middle, just here. You know, it's between pasture, but I'm just making sure that you're using it to learn how. Yes, this one is okay. Yeah, something like that. Pack 12. Right. So, is there anything else?
No.
I think we have known how to set and operate the machine.
Yes.
Is there any challenge in here?
No.
If there's anything, you tell me so that
No.
successfully.
Nothing.
Can you off the machine now?
Yes.
Off it. So that's the end of today's lecture. So, is there any surprising thing you have learned from this cutting machine?
Actually, I've learned a lot because this is my first time of seeing this machine physically. So I have seen a lot of it operating online, but I've not seen it physically. This is actually my first time and my first day, and I really learned a lot. And let me say, everything in this machine now, including the setting and the operation, I've learned it almost everything.
Wow.
So operating this machine now, I don't think it will be a problem for me in the future.
Wow, I'm so happy.
So I'm really happy about that.
I'm glad. So, do you have any advice for people who want to undergo this training?
A lot of challenge, many people usually have is distance. Because me now, I'm from Kogi State, and where I live in Kogi State, there's no place I can learn this in Kogi State. So when I saw the opportunity here, I decided to utilize it. So if you are in anywhere in Nigeria or outside Nigeria and you are interested in learning from this company specifically, so you can either enroll online or offline, and the teachings are very effective. So you will learn a lot of things in a short period of time. This is actually my second day here, and let me say almost everything concerning nylon production business, I've learned it. So if you are in anywhere in the country or outside the country and you are interested in learning, don't hesitate to join the community.
Wow. Thank you so much.
They are very helpful.
Thank you.
So the amount you are paying is nothing compared to the value you are going to receive.
Thank you. So you are recommending others to come?
Very well, very well. If I won't have a sibling, I will recommend them.
I'm glad. I'm so happy. So, guys, distance is not a barrier. All the way from Kogi down to Enugu, you can actually do it. If he can do it, you can do it. Distance is not barrier. If you cannot meet up, you can join our online classes. Feel free. So that's the end of today's lecture.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. For our eternal subscribers, I really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you very much.